Hi guys, and today I'm really excited to have these Fungus Amungus Vac packs. They look so gross. Let's get opening. Okay, and so it looks like we've got Puss here, Fang, Slimey Smiley, the radioactive edition, Clumpnut, and there's a secret one in the corner here. Okay. Right. Okay, the special character. Oh, this is my secret one. What is it? Oh, it's a super Mouldy Sheldon Fester. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, it's so sticky. Ugh. Really gooey and... Ugh. It's so sticky and bouncy. Ugh. Okay, let's look at my second pack. So we've got Drip Drop, we've got Fungiface, there is Klingon there. Oh, there's another radioactive one. This one's called UGG. Okay, let's look at my secret one. Oh, it's another super moldy one. And I think this is the same as this guy. Ah. Oh, it's a super Mouldy Clumpnut. See, look, they're the same. They're so weird. Okay, this is my third pack, my last pack. Okay, so we've got Mulch here, Flemling just here. Oh, it's Hygiene, but it's the radioactive one. Okay, then there's Pinky there. Let's look at my special character. Oh my god, it's another super moldy. Look, they're the same again. Fang, super moldy Fang. Ugh. Okay, so I've only got 15 today, but there are over 100 to collect. I've got all the radioactive here and the super moldies here. Ugh, so gross. They all stick together. Ugh, that's really, really weird. Ugh. Look at all of them. They're so squishy. Ah. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for next week. We've got so many Fungus Amungus toys to unbox. Please make sure you like this video and remember to subscribe by clicking the button below.